I'm Caitlin. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to tell whether you are procrastinating or taking a much needed recharge break. So what got me thinking about this is I have been trying out a new task management system for myself. I'm actually thinking about maybe releasing a paper planner. If anyone's interested in that, please do give me some encouragement to actually follow through and pull the trigger on doing that. But I've been doing this new system and it's been working amazingly well. I'm getting like 15 tasks a day done. It's always a little easier when you have a new system, you're excited about it, you're following it really religiously, but this was just working so well. But then what happened was about halfway through the second week, I kind of started puttering out. I think what was happening was that I was having some really successful days and then I pushed myself a little harder, and this just kept going more and more until I pretty much eliminated all of my downtime and was just being productive all of my waking hours, which is awesome. But like I said, I was just really puttering out and running out of energy. So this was a really big, important reminder for me that downtime is also important. But I'm not just here to say it's fine to go watch a bunch of TV. Yes, you need downtime, but it's also completely possible you are procrastinating. Best way to tell the difference: did you finish the things you needed to finish? And now this relaxed time is a well-deserved reward and break. Or is it currently the time that you wanted to do some specific task that maybe when you're dreading, and because you're dreading it, you decided to take your break, your reward first? That's the test. Have you already finished everything important you wanted to get done today, and now you're taking your well-deserved reward? Or have you not actually done much today that you really need to take a break already? You have to honestly answer that question for yourself. And I do want to make a quick sidebar note. Procrastinating is not the same thing as having no motivation and no energy, especially being depressed. That is its own different cycle of not doing anything, feeling bad about not doing anything, and then getting even worse and worse. That's not the same thing. When I say procrastinating, I mean you are able and have the energy, you're just choosing not to use it. What I'm talking about is taking some downtime in the day to just rest and recharge yourself. And that this is different from procrastination, but you gotta be careful that you don't actually procrastinate telling yourself you're recharging. And let me just add how much more rewarding that downtime is when you've earned it and you can really actually relax, opposed to having in your head how you're really supposed to be doing this other thing. It's really a waste because you're not recharging and enjoying yourself and you're not actually being productive. All right, thanks for watching. Next time we'll talk about how to stop procrastinating.